Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today we are going to solve two simple array problems. They may look easy at first, but they help you build the clear thinking in the DSA. Especially when working with the arrays and cumulative logic, we will go step by step, understand the problem properly, and write the solution, and also discuss time and space complexity in this. If you are beginner, don't worry at all. I will explain everything slowly and clearly so you understand in the logic, not just the code. So let's start. So first problem is from the LeetCode, that is the 1929 concatenation of array. So in this problem we are given an integer array nums of length n, and you want to create an array answer of length 2n, where answer of I is the nums of I, okay, and answer of I plus n is also nums of I, and especially answer is a concatenation of the two nums of array, so we have to return the nums. Okay, so so there are two examples, like input is the nums 1 to 1 and answer is the 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So the array answer is formed as the follows, like nums of 0, nums of 1, nums of 2, again nums of 0, nums of 1, and nums of 2. So basically we have an array nums and we have to create an answer array having the two nums array in that. So for that, let n equal to nums dot length, and also let a answer array blank that I have to return. So start a for loop, let I equal to 0, I is smaller than nums dot length, and I plus plus. Inside this, just push the answer dot nums of I. Again start a new for loop, let j equal to 0, j is smaller than nums dot length. Okay, I already have an n here, so why I am writing nums for length again and again, and j plus plus answer dot nums of I. Also remove this nums of dot length here and just format this and return here answer. So basically I am writing the I have a variable n that contains the nums for length and an empty array answer variable. So we start a for loop that's run from I equal to 0 to I smaller than n, and push the answer dot push answer dot push nums of I, and we are push the value of nums of, here I have to write it the j. So I'm just push the value of first 1 2 3 up to the n value, and here also it runs till the n value and return the answer. So let's run this. So as expected, I get the output 1 to 1, 1 to 1, and also for this 1 3 to 1 is the input. I get the 1 3 to 1, 1 3 to 1 as the output. So we can also write by one more way in the JavaScript specifically. So let me comment this. Just return, use the spread operator and make it nums. Spread operator, make it nums. So let's run this. Again this works, means we can write by the both way, means this is the natural way by using the for loops, and this is a shortcut method of the by using the JavaScript spread operator. So let's try to submit this solution. Yes, it's submitted, and 100% beats means 0 millisecond, means our solution is the best in this case. Even this one is the best, and time complexity here is the big of n, because big of n from this, big of n from this, and the any final time complexity becomes the big of n. Now let's come to the second problem from this LeetCode, that is 1480 running sum of 1D array. So inside this we are given an array nums and we define a running sum of an array as the running sum of I equal to sum of num of 0 to nums of I. So let's see the example. So we are getting a array nums 1 2 3 4. In the output we return the value 1 is the original one. At index 2 sum of the first two value. At index 3 sum of the initials value 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6, and in last all these value. So we have to return the sum of the nums. So let's start with the let n equal to nums of nums dot length and start a for loop. So wait, I have to write it nums equal to 0, initial value basically. So start a for loop, let I equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus, and here write a, I'm just modifying this original array. I'm not creating any new array. This is called a in place solution. So in this nums of I plus sum, and also update the sum by nums of I value, and in last return this nums. So let's try to submit, run this solution. Yes, it accepted the 3 test cases. Let's try to submit. Yes, it passed all the test cases and 0 millisecond is the time complexity. So here I'm just creating initialize the two variable n and the sum. N has the value nums dot length and sum is the initial value is the 0, and we run a for loop from I equal to 0 to n, and every time I just change the value of nums of I by nums of I plus sum, and also update the value of sum every time and return this sum nums of I. So if these are the two solutions, and time complexity for this problem is big of n. So if this solution explanation made thing clear for you, make sure to like the video. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you solve these on your own before watching. And if you're serious about improving your DSA step by step, subscribe to JDCodebase. We are building strong fundamental here. See you in the next video.